Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
I started a diet. I'm already hungry.
Let's break it down.
I started a diet.
I started a diet. I began eating healthier, or less, or differently. I changed my eating habits. I changed how I ate. Repeat. I started a diet. I started a diet. Usage examples. Started. She started her new job yesterday. The meeting started at 10 o'clock. He started writing a book. I started learning French last year. Diet. He is on a strict diet. The doctor recommended a low-salt diet. She is following a vegan diet. I need to change my diet to lose weight. A balanced diet is essential for good health.
I'm already hungry.
I'm already hungry. I feel the need to eat now, sooner than expected. Repeat. I'm already hungry. I'm already hungry. Usage examples. I'm not very hungry. I'm cold, aren't you? I'm a bit tired. I'm thirsty after my workout. I haven't eaten all day. I'm starved. Already? I'm already here. I've already eaten. He has already left the office. We've already discussed this. She's already finished her homework. They've already seen that movie. hungry. The children are hungry. He is hungry after the workout. I am always hungry in the afternoon. She was hungry, so she ate an apple. We were hungry after the long trip. Vocabulary recap. I started, start. Diet. I am. Already. Hungry. Read. Listen.
I started a diet. I'm already hungry.
Have you ever tried a diet? How long did it last? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.